Alright, hi guys. Again, cycling gear. So this one I ordered through a website. So actually what happened was I got a voucher from Strava. Usually yun yung mga bait sa akin eh. So it was like how many pounds off. So tinry ko lang. So the brand is Futurum. So you can check their website. It's Futurum. So there. Futurum.cc I think is their website. So actually hindi na masyadong maganda yung package na binigay nila. Nadurog na. I don't know whose fault is it. Sa Philippines ba to or from the Netherlands? Again, it's a brand from the Netherlands. So ito yung nangyari. Medyo pangit. Ito yung box niya, but what's nice about it is I ordered it November 18. It actually arrived November 21. So yeah, medyo mabilis. They sent it through UPS. So again, sometimes when we order stuff online, we're super excited to actually receive it already, no? So this one was actually very quick. So happy naman ako, but let's check what's inside. Tingnan natin kung happy pa rin ako. Let's break it. Alright. The knife. So see what's inside. Pretty interesting. So comes with this. It says, "Thank you for your order. We hope you will enjoy wearing these items." Diba? May love letter pa. Check that. And then we have it's like a brochure to their new 4 Seasons Pro. I actually looked into this, no, pero parang hindi yata siya for Philippine riding. Medyo mainit yata to pag sinuot natin. And kung maulan, okay lang. Pero how often do you really ride when it's raining, diba? Minsan inaabot ka lang ng ulan. Kaya kailangan mo mag-jacket. We have, meron pa akong discount. 10 euros off pala, 10 euros off. And let's see what we have inside. So what I ordered was a jacket and a base layer. So ito. The box isn't quite nice anymore. But let's see contents. Dami nilang pamigay na flyers. Wash and care instructions. Always read the label. It's important. And yan. This is the base layer. Pretty nice. I got a small. I think this is small. So ito yung sinusuot natin sa loob ng mga bibs natin, diba? Yeah, Futurum. Let's have it here in the back. Futurum, right? And now let's check out. Yung jacket natin. I think it was supposed to come in a very nicely packed package. So ganyan siguro dapat siya nakatayo. But again, nadurog na nga siya. So it's a wind jacket, a lightweight wind jacket. Let's open it up. Pretty nice. Manipis siya. Para siyang windbreaker, I would say. So, full zip. And, yeah. Maganda siya dahil meron siya naman yung band. So, hindi siya aangat. What it looks like. Futurum. Then, yung likod niya. And with a Futurum logo on the back. And, yun, meron siyang zipper. Always important to have like compartment sa likod ng mga suot natin. So whether it be your phone, your keys, your pump, your spare tube, your water, whatever it is, kailangan meron ka lalagyan. And luckily, meron si Futurum na nilagay dyan. Reflectorized siya. Pretty cool. So is the logo, also reflectorized. And open it up. Yun, nakita nyo may parang power band. This is the power band, we call this thing, sa ilalim para hindi umangat masyado. And apparently I got a medium. Oh. Hindi ako sure kasi sa sizing nila. Tingnan natin kung basta yung fit niya. Medyo sakto lang. Ang ganda yung texture niya, hindi siya sobrang init. I think medyo mahaba lang siya sa akin. Kasi medium nga yung kinuha ko. But overall, I think pretty okay. Pretty nice actually. And again, ang bilis ng shipping niya. So 3 days lang. Nakuha ko na. So this is Futurum Wind, what do you call this? Wind Jacket Lightweight. Ay, medyo manipis actually siya. See? Right. Check them out, futurum.cc, and always use your Strava vouchers. Sayang, makakatipid naman kayo kahit konti, and minsan para siyang trap dahil pag nakuha ko yung voucher, doon ako napapa-shopping. Pero again, we all need to look good when we cycle, and of course, it's not just about looking good, it's also about being comfortable when we cycle.